Hello everyone, this is Tiana. Today I will introduce our machine. This is the trapezoid sheet roof forming machine. The board is used to roofing or wall panel. So let me introduce to you more details. This is a manual wheel. It can adjust the material width that you want. This is a manual blade. It can cut the material length that you want. Okay, the next is our forming machines, the forming rollers. There is total 50 stations. The shafts and the rollers is very high quality and very stability. And the all main structure is 315H steel. And the middle plate is all 16 millimeters. The last one is our machine, hydraulic cutting. It can cut the metal sheet easily and accurately. This is our machine PLC control device. All machine produced is by this. This made the machine achieve the fully automation. This control device is suspended on the machine, and this is can rotate. This will save more space and convenient. Okay, this is our reforming machine brief introduction. If you want to know more, please contact me.